Hey! You might have seen this kind of travel map animation in many videos. But do you know how to create one yourself? In this video, I'll show you how to create a travel map animation online without using any software. First, open your browser and go to this URL. Click on the Create Map Animation button. Now, head to Settings and select the Route option. Next, tap on the Login button. Enter your email, and click Get Link. Check your email and click the verification link. Once verified, go back and click Create Animation. Now, return to Settings and choose your canvas, whether landscape, square, or real format. Enter the cities and countries you want in your animation. Then, click the X, Close, icon to proceed. Now, wait a few minutes while your animation is being created. Once ready, tap Export to download your video. The free version has some limitations, so you can't download in HD. But here's a trick to bypass that. Instead of clicking Export, press Ctrl+Shift+I to open the developer tools. You'll find a direct download link, copy and paste it into a new tab. Finally, tap Download and save your animation in HD format.